Sis, wait lang. Babalikan na lang kita kasi may bagong employee kami dito sa office namin. Okay, sige. Bye. Good afternoon, Miss Chantel. You must be our new employee.
Yes po.
My name is Ricardo. I am your manager in the department. Tara, punta tayo sa office ko.
Okay po.
Ito. By the way, ipapakilala ko muna sa yung yung katrabaho ko. Si Amber. Hi ka. Tapos si Justin. Yan, sila yung mga kasama mo sa department mo. Sige, makaupo ka na.
Ay, thank you po.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling Galilis Corporation. Uy, Amber, alam mo ba, may sale ngayon sa SM? Tara, punta tayo.
We? Sige, tara.
Uy, Chantel, una na kami ah.
Chantel! Chantel!
Yes, sir?
Asan na ba yung report na pinapagawa ko sa'yo? Kanino ka ba hinahanap
Sorry, sir. I'll do it right away.
Walang magagawa yan, sorry mo. Umupo ka dyan at gawin mo yung pinapagawa ko sa'yo, okay?
Opo, sorry.
Panginoon, sa inyo po ako ay nagtitiwala. Alam ko pong lahat ng kinakaharap kong pagsubok ngayon ay inyong paraan upang patatagin ako. Kung ano man po ang inyong kalooban para sa akin, yun po sana ang mangyari para sa akin. Amen.
Huy, Frenny! Ayos ka lang?
Okay,
Kailangan po natin tulalaan.
okay lang naman. Nakaka-drain kasi yung work ko these days.
Hindi kaya dahil sa hectic schedules natin yan ngayon?
Siguro, isa na rin yung sa reasons eh. Pero alam mo yun, parang nawawalan na ako ng gana sa lahat ng bagay eh. Ginagawa ko naman yung gusto ko. May trabaho naman ako. Pero it's not what I love to do eh. Alam mo yun, hindi ko to passion.
Alam mo, Frenny, naiintindihan kita. Pero naaalala mo ba yung kwento mo sa akin noon? Na hindi mo naman to gusto? Originally naman, di ba, gusto mo maging artist. Pero you're practical. Kaya pinili mo tong path na to. Kaya ka siguro nawawalan ng gana. Bakit hindi mo i-try ulit? You have the skills and talent to do whatever you want.
Sa tingin mo, kaya ko?
Oo naman. I've known you as someone who can excel in everything. O siya, minatawag sa'yo. Alis muna ako.
Sige, bye-bye. Thank you. Hello?
Hi, I'm looking for Miss Chantel.
Yes, speaking.
I'm glad we reached you. Remember our agency, the multimedia company? I was looking forward to you accepting our offer to be our graphic artist. It's been a while since we last contacted you, so we thought you already have an answer. So, will you do it?
Yes, absolutely. I'll go to your office right away. Thank you.
Life is not at all that bad, my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks through life with you, You'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the